Okay, round two. Let's try again. Welcome to my second modding series. This time we're gonna be modding Precision Tester. I got the inspiration for this mod while doing dishes. while doing dishes at home. And I realized that this was a simple thing to make. It's probably gonna take me a fraction of the time of the other series. And it's gonna be really cool. Okay, so actually let's just make a new little thing here. And we can point out what this is going to be. Basically, this is precision tester. Precision tester. Let's make it black. This is precision tester. What we're gonna do is this all came to me when I was actually watching Soink's stream, and I noticed there's this one timing that's like 1.7 frames using CBF on 240 hertz. So it's like a I don't know, is that like a 6 or 7 millisecond timing? And he was doing it like 80% of the time. I did a little calculation on my own, and I found that his oh my god, why is it by default yellow? I found that his precision was an impressive. He had a 2 millisecond sigma value, standard deviation. For the position of his clicks relative to the timing, the middle of the timing. So he had a really impressive standard deviation. And this got me thinking, like, what is my standard deviation? And you gotta like really, this is kind of strange because you need it to be a timing that you've mastered. Like, I don't want it to be like the weirdest timing with a ship that's setup based. I don't want to test that. Let's just do a super easy version. That's the idea of this mod. We are gonna test. We're gonna like have a little line here, and you're gonna come here with your wave or whatever. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna have. I'm gonna make a little level. And there's just gonna be a line here. And as you come there as the wave, you're gonna want to press this line so that you go up in the exact middle of it. And by using, I'm gonna use like slopes here. I'm thinking like one slope like that and one slope like that with no touch, so that it is exactly within 2 blocks. And that way I can like, through the actual level, it'll actually like, there will be an exact position where you want to click. And I'm thinking either that you drop down and click on it, or that you just go on a slope and click on it. Both are fine. And I'm thinking, based on that, I'm gonna just save that data and I'm gonna put it in a little list here. And based on that, I can get your normal distribution of clicks, where your clicks land. And through that, you can also get your sigma value, and we can get your, I guess, your error, like your systematic error. We can get rid of that. We can all measure it relative to this click here. And I'm thinking it's not going to be too hard. So we can also do like maybe, let's say we make a level that's like this. We have a little wave section that's just consistently clicks, and we'll just see how precise you are on these clicks. And I think this is interesting because I'm expecting it to be like, you'll be less precise when there's clicks like this because you'll have less time to react. Here you're gonna have like this entire time to just see where you are, while here you're gonna have to react to how you clicked the previous time, and you're obviously gonna get less precise on a consistent click like this. Maybe other game modes as well. I'm thinking like a cube. Maybe we'll have like, here's the ground coming, and I'll add a little cube thing here, and you're supposed to press in the very middle of that cube. And all of this is going to create a way for you to get a concrete measure of your precision. And this is going to be really cool. So now for my plans, I'm thinking today I'm just gonna pretty much hard here. I'm thinking I'm just gonna hard code this for a few challenges that I make, like small levels, and it will just measure. Will the mod will just measure where you click in the level. We'll use there's a push button um, and release button hook we can use from within the player object, and these two give you your exact position, including CBF and I guess superb input precision or CBS or whatever. And using these, we can get the exact position where you clicked, which is really nice. Or I think so at least. Wait, actually, let me test. Let's go into Geometry Dash. Yes. So a few things we're gonna do. I'm gonna have to select a variant and a few different things. I just made this just a little bit ago. So we're gonna do the standard setups for the mod. And I'm unsure why geo.hp is not found. That's a bit strange. Is there something? Oops. Is there something I have forgotten to do? Clang, rel with dev info. That should already be fixed. Okay, it seems there's some bug here. I'm actually gonna restart Visual Studio Code real quick. Nice. Nice, it seems to be working. Let's to just see that it's working. I'm gonna from precision tester. We're gonna build this. Okay. So the first thing I want to do, because I've already used a mod that uses push button and release button. Oh my god, I need to reduce the sound here. There we go. Oh, everything is so huge. Okay, basically, I've already done a mod. I think a pretty good measure to see how. Let's grab like empty wave. What we can do is, I'm gonna go here. Wait. See this? This is another hook I have. What we can do is, okay, let's copy this. I'm gonna make it mini and 4 times speed. 4 times speed mini. This will make it a lot more obvious what's happening here. And let's plain slow speed. See this? Basically, we can get the exact position of where we pressed, including outside of the actual frames. Like we're actually checking the subtick here, which works really great. You can see like this push is actually below the different hitboxes. I'm gonna see. The main thing I need to check right now is if this works equally well on. Oh wait, I'm actually. And it does work with like between steps. Wait. Oh wait, I actually finally get how it works with CBS. Yeah, so either so it's yeah, CBS is just 480 hertz. So yeah, the second green is the CBS click. Oh, okay. It works with the click between steps. The final one, we just need to check that it works with superb input precision. Superb. Let's enable both of these while also disabling this. Do I have jump markers on? That's crazy. If this works on superb input position, I'm gonna be really happy. Because otherwise I'll have to do like, I don't know, write a message that you have to use. What? Oh, right. Okay. That's right. Those two mods interfere. Whatever. I do like those mods though. I feel it's a problem that those mods don't exist for superb input precision. Anyway, this might seem like I'm just doing random stuff right now, but this is just testing to know whether it's still bugged. Oh. Oh yeah, you have to enable the API as well. Okay, fair enough. Okay, I'm just checking so that my hook will actually work. Because once we have the hook, it's actually quite simple to just see where we clicked. We just check the position of the player, we just check the X and Y position of the player, right as they click, right push button. And then we like, I'm thinking, I'm just literally gonna check within the, after going onto that position, we're like measuring, and then the first click after that is the one. And okay, empty1, empty2, let's check it. Uh, does it work? Yeah, it does seem to work here as well. Okay, yes, it's compatible with every CBS alternative. Ugh, I'm just not happy about. Wait, this is gonna be. Let me check crash wave real quick. Ugh, that's what I don't like. Oh my god, I'm playing like ass right now. Okay, superb input position seems to work fine. Anyway, let's remove that mod, enable the other mods. I prefer CBF over superb input position, so and then we're gonna do wave. Okay, I'm just gonna get right into it because I don't feel like I don't feel like wasting time. Let's any more time anyway. I've been wasting a little bit of time. New window. We're gonna open. Oh, wait. Let me see. Do I dox myself here? Partially. Whatever. Win rate tracker. Player object. We're just gonna copy this. Literally copy paste it and paste it in here. Oops. Actually in there. Yes, we're gonna rename this to PT player object. Okay. PT. We're not gonna deal with play. Well, I'm gonna need a play layer as well, so I guess I'll just copy. I don't care. Okay. Move. I'm gonna rename you to PT play layer, and we are gonna. A lot of stuff is here. Did I even use random? I'm not even sure I did. I should probably remove that in that case. Okay. PT, play layer CPP. Nice, everything is compiling there. Now we have like a million fucking code things here. Okay. Boom. Measure time update. Whatever. It's like a million things here. probably gonna hook post update here just because it's just in this level. Like, it's fine. And then here we'll just make this blank, I guess. Init. There we go. We have an init and we have a field. Nice. Okay. Okay. Nice. Oh, we need to include that. Okay. Comma, which was the other one? I do actually want to keep this, so I'm gonna do this right away because I don't feel like messing around. Let's just do like that. Boom. We have the mod. That should work. I mean, this will work. That means that. Oh, PT play later. Okay. What is all this stuff? Let's just remove it. Well, I know what it is, but actually, I don't even need player destroyed right now. I'm not gonna do a single player destroyed mode. So let's do push button and release button. Okay, both of these are the hooks we're gonna use. Nice. Oops. Nice. Okay. Why are you still... Okay, nice. It's no longer bugged. Okay, I'm thinking, how are we gonna store this? I could do... Okay, so there are a few things I want to do. Calculate about... Oh no, not this one. Here. Normal... Wait, let me see. Normal distribution. Okay, so yes, there are a few things we can calculate from this. Yes. Yes, we want to calculate the standard deviation and we want to calculate the expected value. And we want to calculate the expected... Like, I'm thinking like, I want to calculate this, I want to calculate this, and I want to calculate the width of a timing that you'll pass 90% of the time with its precision. So like, if you're like Sonic, you're gonna pass a frame per like a 60 hertz frame perfect like 99% of the time, which seems insane to most people, but that's just how they're built. It's like not built. That's how skilled they are, and anyone can do that. Anyone can get that skill. And I want people to know like how precise they are. So that's what the mod is about. Okay. Yes. Okay, I need to. This is stuff I've learned this in university. I just need to remember how do I calculate the standard deviation. Wait. How to standard deviation. Okay. Okay, so we can calculate the average. I'm thinking like, let's just use 100 values or whatever. I think that's fine. And okay, let's low-key make a okay, I'm gonna start by making the level, like the actual level. I might make this look better later on, maybe in an update or something. Okay, precision tester. Okay, so what we're gonna have is this is how we're gonna have it. We're gonna have a slope like maybe this one. Actually, this one looks kind of perfect. Okay, wait. Edit. Let's do the colors. Let's actually. Okay. Okay, we're gonna edit. Wait, am I going crazy? How do I? Oh, right. And now we're gonna grab all of these. We're gonna grab a next three and next three and two. Okay, because two is that. We're just gonna make that invisible. Nice. Okay. Let's I'm gonna grab a teleport trigger. Is that an orb, right? Maybe it is. This is teleport one, right? Oh, that's that's what it can't say. Teleport. Okay. We're gonna add a little thing here. And then we're gonna make this one is gonna be target group ID 1, and then we're gonna edit here, and we're gonna make this be group ID 1. Touch triggered multi-trigger. And then we're gonna make ourselves a wave. And we're gonna put like a little thing over here. Nice. Nice. So we're gonna multi-triggered, and then we're gonna edit scale. On the y-axis, we're gonna scale it to like 10. Then we're gonna show hitboxes. Can I see hitboxes? And we're gonna go like this, and we're gonna make this be no touch. See that? That's exactly what I want. Except I do want to do it so that spawn group should be 1. Okay, wait. Whoa. What the fuck? Wait, that's strange. Shouldn't... Okay. We're gonna edit. We're gonna probably have to do like a camera thing, right? Ah, fuck. I would really have liked it if we could have just made it 0. Whatever. Deselect. We're gonna make that. We're gonna half a block. There we go. That's precise as fuck. See that? That's probably. See that? Like, that's pretty fucking precise to begin with. I'm within this fucking space here every time.